Alright, what's up, guys? Okay, so this one I'm pretty sure this is the third one? Yeah, so I'll probably say in there. If not, no worries, I'll put it at its right thing. But yeah, enjoy, and you see the play button. I had to pre-record it and then have a different software to actually be able to upload. So enjoy. Took me quite a while. And if you want more content, just leave a comment. And if you leave a if you leave a comment on it, I can make. If you want to see something in action, or if you have a great idea, I am totally happy to hear what you guys want to see, and I can make a whole video about it. So yeah, enjoy.
So last time what happened was the game kind of got a little bit mad at me, and it's like, whoa, bro, you're not allowed to do that. That's considered, that Pokemon's
Whoa, bro, you haven't heard about Brock before?
now considered a trainer Pokemon. So all of my Pokeballs, that's right, missed. Because it's trainers, like, they didn't even touch it. Like, it literally just said miss. So now I am up against a Pikachu. I finally got it again. I have 2 health left. I'm good to go. Bang. Bang. Pikachu. Quick. Pikachu ends my career. Honestly, bro, Pikachu is the best. Now, last time I did talk to somebody, yeah, you just saw the bubble, and hopefully I can actually re-record and stuff. But, okay, so Pikachu just ended, and what I'm actually doing here is I'm uploading the second video. I'm uploading the second video while I'm using the bad footage thing, and then I'm gonna upload the first and the third, and hopefully I can give you guys 3 good pieces of content.
By the way, you guys, quick thing, it may be a bit glitchy, just because, as you just heard, it's a bit, like, it sometimes says words double. I don't know why, but something must have happened. So, yeah.
Okay, not good pieces of content. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, what's this encounter gonna be? You know what? It's a Pidgey. I'm gonna take it. I think I can get Arcanines from this. Last time, I think I encountered a Rattata, and I got the Nidoking. Alright, here we go. Here we go, guys. Alright, ready? What's gonna happen? Hey, wait up. What's the hurry? Huh? Okay. I'm honestly curious if I can catch his Weedle. No, I don't think I can. Alright. I'm in the battle with the bug catcher. For some reason. Yay, I guess? Okay. That's kind of weird. Whoa! Whoa! Hold up. I'm in the battle with the bug catcher again? Wait, did I just discover an infinite grind? Hold up, I'm gonna turn music on. You guys won't be able to hear it because they want premium for people to hear it. Oh. No, wait, no, you guys can't hear. No, you can't. You hear that though? No, you guys can't hear it. Okay. That's pretty freaky. can feel a lag. Look, I'm pressing up, and all it does is it... Oh, I wonder if what happens if... Oh, look at that dude. Do you see him? He's flashing in and out. I literally have to use this speed up thing to actually get places now. This is without the speed up? Alright, yeah, he's... I wonder if I can encounter any Pokemon. I wonder what happens. My guy? Alright, this is... Wait, am I taking poison damage? I am. No, this isn't how you normally walk. Wait, but Pidgey wasn't... Yeah, now it's normal. You guys can tell, right? Okay, I'm actually having way more fun than I thought I would on this quest. I mean, I thought this would just be, you know, a nice tutorial for you guys. But no, me having the lack. Alright, I'm not sure if Weedle spawn there. I don't know that for a fact. Alright, that could have just been me glitching out. Right there. Yeah, the next one hit fine. Okay. Okay, here's a moment of truth. Oh, we're back to slow. But not if I... Now we're going like the speed of a bike. Oh, wait. I'm curious to see what happens when I get in a battle. Whoa. No, I think I'm going to move on to the next area. Well, I think my speed's normal now. I can actually talk to people now. Wouldn't let me talk back there. Alright, I'm going back to my save. Alright, there we go. Now this is, I just went back to my save where the Pikachu decides to, you know what happens? Oh, yeah, it wins every time. Okay, so now that we're at the Pokemon Center, now this is from the original save. I'm going to see if I can, I'm just going to talk to some people. I'm just going to spam talk to this dude and see what the effect is. Alright. This is actually really fun, you guys. I mean, you guys should definitely try this. I'm not sure if you guys... Guys, what happens if I go in without encountering a Pokemon? Like I've been doing. Ooh. I came here... Wait, that's that guy. Wait, remember the text was different before? But he doesn't fight you. He doesn't fight you, though. Alright, just gonna spam through this fight. Okay, I'm not poisoned. Not poisoned. Okay, normal speed, yeah, I'm up to normal speed. When you see me like sprinting really fast, that's just because I'm using the emulator's RPG speeder ability. question is, can we successfully enter? Pokemon back. No, we cannot. Alright, I'm going back to the Pikachu battle. To die. And now, I'm not going to talk to anybody. And I'm not going to touch a Pokemon. I'm going to see what that does. Now there's a chance it'll... Oh, no, I can walk completely around. Alright, now let's see what happens. Yeah, it's just the same thing as before, so let me just get this real quick. Oh! Wait! Okay? Wait, I accidentally fast-forwarded that with the thing. I need to be carefuler. Wait, hold up. I'm going to do Sand Attack. I blacked out. Alright, I black out. Darn! Last time it did send me back. You guys saw that, right? I am slightly curious. Alright, Rattata, run. Alright. Alright. Okay. Back to this place again. Wait, I actually think I do have an antidote. But okay, now this time, no talking to people. Now, all the weird movement, unless I say it's getting slower. If it gets slower, then it's the game. But if it goes faster, that's just me. Okay, I'm gonna knock this dude out. Alright, I would like a different result. I would honestly be very happy with a different result. Yeah, it's just giving me the bug catcher. Wait, I got an idea. Okay, the one time that actually let me do that was when alright, I'm dead. Okay, when I did it before, I talked to this dude. I had Charmander last time, that's right, and I growled. But the chances of me getting it are kind of low. Again, I mean, I've gotten this 2 times, yeah. No, I'm going to go for the Rattata. That's what... Okay, Pidgey, I don't need that. Another Pidgey. Weedle. Actually, I could try it with the Weedle, I guess. Okay, Rattata. There we go. Alright, and then if my hunch is correct, I guess. I mean, there are random stats, but it should be a Nidoking. Oh, yeah, I was right. Yeah, so there's some Pokemon text. Alright, and if I go to... Okay. I gotta do this big brain. Okay. Yeah. Oh, it's higher level than me. Okay. That's because I didn't use Growl. That's right. Hold up. I might actually be able to capture that. Oh. That hurts. Oh, that absolutely hurts.